Hey, it's Deanna here with Extra Credit Crafts, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an educator's review, and I'm unboxing my next project. It's called Floral, and we're going to see if this Diamond Art Club kit actually earns a passing grade. So before you spend your crafting budget, come see what's actually inside the box. We're going to evaluate the toolkit that's included. We're going to grade the symbol clarity on the canvas and see where those specialty drills are charted to see if this project is actually a masterpiece or a logistical confetti nightmare. Let's find out if this premium diamond art kit is something you should invest in. Class is in session. Let's get started. So full disclosure, I have already taken off the plastic for this kit because I wanted to see which treasure quest card came with it. I purchased this kit in January 2025, so I've had it for a while. So there's no plastic on here, but the only thing that I took out was the treasure quest card. So let's see what else is included in your diamond art kit from Diamond Art Club. So we have our canvas, our toolkit, and our thank you card that has these labels for our containers. This is the treasure quest card that came with this kit. This is a bronze card, and in order to redeem these, you would go to this website, scratch it, there's a code on there, and once you get a certain combination of codes, you can redeem gift cards and things like that from Diamond Art Club. So not only are these great for collecting, but there's also a built-in reward system. You guys know how much I love a good journal. I shared in a previous video my diamond painting journal log, but I wanted to really quickly share with you where I keep my cards that come with my Diamond Art Club canvases. This is something that I created to keep up with the projects that I've completed and to store my stickers. Before Diamond Art Club provided these cards, they provided these stickers. So I just kept the stickers, and I try to keep them in order from when I completed the canvas. So these are some of the Diamond Art Club canvases I have completed and the stickers for those. I am currently still working on this mystery kit. So that's still a whip I'm working on. I just finished the Black Panther canvas. The Black Panther kit did not come with the card, so that's why the sticker is here. But let me know in the comments, how do you store your cards or stickers? Do you have some type of log or journal or card holder? Let me know in the comments. Here is the labels or the sticker sheet. I love when companies include pre-cut stickers. It just makes my life so much easier. I don't have to go and make a copy of the legend and then print that legend on sticker paper. Everything is there for you. So I absolutely love when they have the pre-cut stickers. So these are pre-cut. Love it. And then over here, this is also a sticker. The diamond and the logo are also stickers. Right here is the schematics of the canvas. 61 colors, square drills, 20 by 20 inches, or 51 by 51 centimeters. And then up here, you can write down your start and end date. So I love it when companies include pre-cut labels in their kits. Now we're going to take a look at the toolkit. With most premium diamond art companies, they give you the supplies that you need to be able to diamond paint. So let's see what Diamond Art Club includes in their kit. So we have baggies. Not a lot of baggies. This kit has 61 colors. I think this might be 15 or so baggies. So not enough baggies to kit up your entire kit, but there are some extra bags there. Maybe you could use these for your leftover drills once you're done if you'd like to save those. I don't usually save my drills. I only save the special drills, but if you want to save them, those bags are a great idea. So this is their twist and pick pen. You pull the lid off, you twist it, and then some putty will come out of the end, and then you pick. So this is their twist and pick. If you want to know more about how to use their twist and pick pen, check out my YouTube video on that. Your kit also comes with a tray. Inside the tray, we have some extra putty that you can use to refill your pen. We have some wax, just in case you prefer wax over putty. They give you both. We have our multi-placer that you can put on the other end of your pen. And then we have our tray. I love this tray because if you're in the middle of working and you need to step away, it does come with a lid, so you can just slide the lid on and you're good to go. I also like this tray because the walls are high, So you don't have to worry about, I call it tray quake, when you're shaking it so hard that the diamonds fall out. You always want to give it a gentle shake, but when you are shaking it, I love that this has high walls. It comes with a stopper, so that way when you are using this to place your drills, you don't have to worry about them falling out the end. This is an awesome upgrade that comes with Diamond Art Club kits. So I love that. This feels very premium. Let's grade this toolkit. I'm going to give this toolkit an A because it does come with the pre-cut labels in the sticker sheet. It does have the upgraded tray with the lid and the stopper and the twist and pick pen. If you're brand new to diamond painting and you want to kit up, the 15 bags just isn't going to do it. So because of that, the toolkit completeness and quality, I'm going to give it an A. This is a great toolkit, but if you're falling in love with diamond art and want to upgrade your toolkit, check out my 5 diamond art upgrades video where I share 5 things that I would upgrade for an even better experience with diamond art. All right, it's time to take this canvas out of the bag. So next we're going to grade the canvas for symbol clarity and see what the confetti is looking like. Quite a bit of confetti. This is a good example of confetti. Confetti just means there's an area with a lot of different drill colors. So think about when you have confetti in your hand and you just toss it up and let it fall. That's kind of what this area looks like. Confetti usually takes a little bit longer to complete because you're changing out the drill color so often. Here in this purple, you can see that those are 8s, not Bs. The symbols are very crisp, very clear. So when it comes to symbol clarity, I'm going to give this canvas an A. Wonderful symbol clarity. It looks great. You can work on this with or without a light pad. So an A for symbol clarity. Next up on the report card is the special drills. Let's see if the special drills included in this kit meet the sparkle requirement. For our special drills, we have 125, 126, 132, 134. For the charting of the special drills, I'm going to give this kit a B+. The reason why I'm giving this kit a B+ is because there are only 4 special drills in this canvas. It would have been really nice to have some of these special drills in the butterfly or more in the petals. So I just feel like that was a missed opportunity. Also, it would have been nice to have more special drills and not just the 4 AB drills. It would have been nice to have a fairy dust drill, an iridescent drill, something. But just the 4 AB drills, I feel like it's lacking in the special drill. So this is going to get a B+ for special drills and how they're charted. Diamond Art Club does use poured glue. Have you guys ever worked on a double-sided adhesive canvas? I have. Not fun. What I didn't care for with the double-sided adhesive canvas is that there's no give. I feel like poured glue is a little bit more pliable. Like you can actually put your pen on a drill and scoot it. You can't do that with double-sided adhesives. Double-sided adhesive is giving 2-sided tape. So my preference is poured glue. But what about you? Have you ever worked on a canvas that had double-sided adhesive? I love that this is poured glue edge to edge. The adhesion is really sticky. Love that. I love that the glue is poured edge to edge. So that way all of your drills end up on the image. The adhesive doesn't seem slippery, which is nice. If you've never had to work with slippery glue, consider yourself lucky. That is no fun to work with. So when it comes to the adhesive integrity, I'm going to give this canvas an A+. I love that the poured glue goes from edge to edge. It's not slippery, but still sticky. When you lay your drills, I can already tell you it's going to have that nice pop sound, which I love when I'm placing drills. Let me know in the comments, are you team poured glue or team double-sided adhesive? Before I give this canvas its final grade, I do want to give it some extra credit for the sticker sheet. I love that the labels on this sheet are pre-cut. I love that you get stickers with a diamond and the Diamond Art Club logo. You get a sticker of the image and the schematics. So this canvas is going to get extra credit for the sticker sheet. Now it's time for the final grade. This canvas gets an A- because of the number of special drills that were included in this canvas. I feel like there were some missed opportunities to include additional special drills, especially some fairy dust drills. This canvas also gets an A- because it only comes with about 15 baggies. If you're new to diamond art and this is your first kit, an obstacle might be figuring out how you're going to store your drills. This canvas is not a B though, because it does provide an updated toolkit with the twist and pick pen, with the tray that has the slide on lid and the stopper. The canvas quality is absolutely top notch with the poured glue. There's great symbol clarity. Overall, this canvas gets an A-. Let me know in the comments, do you agree with my grade? What grade would you give this canvas? Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more educators reviews and unboxings. Until next time, class is dismissed. Bye-bye.